Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Enlightenment Within. Um, we're just going to start in a minute, waiting for everyone else. It's an extremely interesting topic today. And as soon as my co host joins, we're going to begin. In the meanwhile, yes, there she is.
Hi, Pooja.
Hi,
Hi,
Gauri.
everyone.
Hi, Gauri. Welcome to everyone. Welcome to Enlightenment Within. Um, this is a very interesting topic that we're going to touch upon today, and it's called soul contracts. Okay, so we may have heard the word, we may have read about it. There are several podcasts that are now showcasing what this really means, but we are here to give you our perspective. And I'd like to introduce Gauri, who's going to be telling us a lot about soul contracts today. She is an Akashic reader. She is automatic writing expert. Also, she can communicate with the other realm. So yeah, she has a lot of modalities that she works with, and she's extremely familiar with. So to begin this, we did the last session on karma. So this is like a follow up from the last one, and we had introduced the concept of soul contracts last week, and we move forward from there. So, Gauri, for all our viewers, how simply can you explain soul contracts? What are soul contracts?
Yes. So before starting with the answer, I would like to share something from
Yes,
Bhagavad
please.
Gita. It's a slok. Nainam chandati shastrani nainan dahati pavakah na chainam kledayantyapo na shoshayati marutah, which means that your soul, which is we call the atma, the our soul, is हम उसको ना शस्त्र से काट सकते हैं, ना हम उसको अग्नि से जला सकते हैं, ना हम पानी से उसे गीला कर सकते हैं, और मारुतः मतलब ना हम उसे पवन से सुखा सकते हैं. This is how our soul is. Our soul is
Yes.
indestructible, completely. So in very simple terms, what soul contracts are they are just an agreement, that you form with the other soul before you take birth on the earth plan, or on the earth plane. So it could be your parents, it could be anyone that you meet at any point of time, any soul relations that you have. You make a contract, you and your soul team, they all sit together and they decide who are you going to meet at what age, at what time. It's that specific as to when and how you're going to meet, and this is all for the soul development. It's all for soul growth. Now, in this instance, some of the relations that you have are very pleasant and happy, and some of
Yes.
them are very challenging in that
Yes.
sense, which we also can call karmic relationships that we have. It could be because of the pain that one experiences or sorrow one experiences with that relation. But again, that relation is a contract that you make with that soul to have a learning, to increase the potential of your soul and to go from point A to point B
Point to
in a
be,
very
yes.
in a very faster way.
Yes.
So in
So
short, that could be soul
soul
contracts.
contract. So to adding to what you're saying, is my understanding of it from all that I have read in books and
Hmm.
attended several lectures, on this topic. So what really happens is that before a soul takes physical birth, here
Yes.
on earth, I mean, there are
Yes.
different realms. From there is life, multiple universes, and all those concepts are now coming up. But
Yeah.
when the soul, before the soul takes birth on earth, it sits with all its spirit
Yes.
guides. So
Yes.
it could be ascended masters, they could be your spiritual team, angels, even members of your soul family.
Yes.
They sit together and they form a blueprint of your life. Okay,
Yes.
so where you're going to be born, who your parents are going to be, your siblings, your
Hmm.
spouses, your
Hmm.
friends, country,
Yes.
religion, profession. It is absolutely specific and
Yes.
defined based on what karma you need to work upon in
And the
this life. So
learnings. Hmm.
yes, so last week we had studied or understood about prarabdha, what your
Hmm.
prarabdha is. So
Hmm. Hmm.
Sanchit is the life, is your sum total of all the lives, all the
Hmm.
karma that you've accumulated.
Hmm.
Prarabdha is what you will work with in this life,
Yes.
when you activate your free will or the Kriyaman karma. Now,
Yes.
at the soul level, we are all, I mean, the soul is sitting and deciding on what karma, what prarabdha it's going to bring with itself. So
Yes.
it comes into contract with other people,
Yes.
who could be family, friends, also your profession, your job. So
Hmm.
it's not just a
Yeah.
contract with
Everyone.
a person, it's a
Yeah.
contract with basically your life.
Everyone.
So
Yes.
understand it like this, that the blueprint of your life is created. So let's say, for example, that someone is deciding to build a house. Okay,
Hmm.
so they sit with the architect, with the interior designer. The
Yes.
whole plan of the house is made, everything is fixed.
Hmm.
You work according to the plan, and the
Hmm.
house is ready as per the
Yes.
plan.
Yes.
Similarly, the everything is decided, who I'm going to meet, who I will marry, what profession, what
Yes.
illness,
Yes.
everything is decided, and then
Yes.
I take birth.
Yeah.
Now, similarly, in the example of the house, the house is ready as per your plan, and you move into the house.
Hmm.
Now, once
Hmm.
you move into the house, you suddenly realize that, okay, this window is a bit too much, or it's too small. I want to extend this room or
Hmm.
remove the door from one area, put it into the other area.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is your Kriyaman karma. That is your
Absolutely.
free will. So, all of us, although 70% of your life is predestined,
Hmm.
but this 30% that we have in our hands has the power to change all of this 70.
Hmm.
So, like we can change the rooms, the windows, the doors in our home, we
Hmm.
can always change our prarabdha when
Hmm.
we activate the Kriyaman. So, you can change what I'm trying to say is, although everything is defined, the soul contract is as is, but we all have the power to tweak it, to change it a little bit here and there. Okay, so in Prarabdha also there is fixed karma and non-fixed
Yes.
karma. So the
Yes.
fixed will not change no matter what you do,
Yeah. Yeah.
but the non-fixed, which is movable,
Hmm.
that you
Hmm.
can change when you exercise your free will.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because we are all free. In the slok also it says your Atma is completely free. It can
Yes.
decide how and when it has to change the plan if it can be changed.
Yeah.
Because there is not just one factor in changing your plan. It also could change the people that you would be meeting. It could
Yeah.
also change your lessons very drastically.
Yeah.
So, because, say, for example, you're here to teach people about spirituality, but if an incident happens in your life, and maybe it's not just spirituality that you're going to teach the community, but it's probably a add-on, maybe something related to teaching with spirituality. So it can happen, it can change, and it is also on your free will as to are you wanting to learn three or more lessons in the same lifetime. So it can change.
Absolutely, absolutely. Even those lessons, so it's like, at the soul level, let's say, for example,
Hmm.
taking it forward from what you're saying, Gauri, at the soul level, if let's say in a current lifetime, a health karma has to be worked upon. So
Yeah.
even at that time, the soul is given a choice. So it's
Yes.
for just for
Yes.
the sake of example,
Yeah.
I will state this. Let's say it's a health karma that needs to be worked on because the soul needs to learn
Hmm.
the lesson of good health. The
Hmm.
soul needs to learn that health cannot be taken for granted. You
Yes.
cannot abuse your body. So
Hmm.
a health karma has to be worked out. So
Yes.
that's the prarabdha for this life.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
plus
Yes.
plus plus whatever else.
Hmm.
Now at that level also, when the soul is deciding with the help of the lords of karma and your extended spirit guides, it's given a choice, and the
Hmm.
choice could be one lifetime of cancer
Yeah.
where severe pain and suffering
Hmm.
and that karma is transmuted, or let's say six lifetimes of asthma or some other crippling problem which
Yes.
will remain with you through the life. It'll never be cured. You will suffer continuously. So even at that point, I feel the divine, हम कुछ भी नाम दे दें,
Hmm.
भगवान,
Hmm.
हायर राम, शिव, कुछ भी नाम दे दें, मुझे लगता है उस समय भी वो इतने मर्सीफुल, इतने दयालु हैं कि वो हम जब अपनी सफरिंग्स भी डिसाइड करते हैं जो हमने खुद ही क्रिएट करी है, उस वक्त भी हमें चॉइस दी जाती है. Like
बिल्कुल.
what I said, one lifetime you get
Yeah.
a terminal disease and you work on that karma, or you
Yes.
can have 3 or 4 lifetimes with some aches or pains that are going to be a part of your life. So yeah,
Absolutely.
so that's how we form contracts with other people, with
Hmm.
other situations, with our own selves,
Yeah.
the professions, the health, our spiritual journey. Everything is pre-decided.
Because at the end of the day, Pooja, it's always like every soul, हमारा आखिरी गोल क्या है? हमारा आखिरी गोल is मोक्ष, या
Yeah.
हमें मुक्ति, या मुक्ति से अच्छा I would like to say परम परम पिता परमेश्वर से मिलना,
Hmm.
जो हमारा हम जिसके अंश हैं उनसे मिलना.
Yeah.
तो all these lessons, the most important thing is understanding that you're playing a part, you're playing a role here,
Yeah.
and that the other person that you're encountering is also playing his or
Playing
her
a role.
own role.
Yes.
So as
Absolutely.
we understand that, it's just a character that we are playing. And
Yeah.
once the 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 years of the character is finished, you know, once we learn it, we are going to meet our own
Yeah,
Parampita Parmeshwar.
yeah,
So
or you
it's
meet
that
someone else.
easy.
So also, I realized this, Gauri. No matter how close you are to someone,
Hmm.
and I'm sharing this from personal experience. When the karma with that person is over,
Yeah.
that person goes away.
Without a
So
noise.
yes, without the
Yeah.
person will just go.
Yeah.
So it's whatever we experience over here in this life, in this
Hmm.
human body,
Hmm.
is very temporary.
Yes.
This
Yes.
love
Very
that we
temporary.
feel, these attachments that we feel, they are beautiful. I mean,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
can't imagine my life without the beautiful relationships that God has blessed me with,
Hmm.
whether that's
Hmm.
my family or my friends, but they are of a very temporary nature.
Yes.
So excessive attachment either to your joy or to your sorrow, I'm beginning to understand is a futile exercise, because
Yes.
ना तो वो आपकी खुशियां ही फॉरएवर के लिए है, ना ही तो
Yeah.
आपके दुख फॉरएवर के लिए है.
Yeah.
जो है
ना तो
अब
आप
है.
आपके शरीर में फॉरएवर के लिए हो, तो
Exactly.
क्योंकि इट्स दैट टाइम इज आल्सो गोइंग टू बी अप वेरी
Yeah,
व्हेनेवर द
yeah.
टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी अप. या.
Yeah. Okay. So this brings me to my next question, which is, about relationships.
Hmm.
And that is something that everybody wants to know, how to better your relationship. So, and sometimes relationships can be, like you said, a blessing, and
Hmm.
sometimes they can be extremely challenging. And I believe all of us have a mixed bag.
Hmm.
किसी की life में
Yes.
ना सब कुछ ही अच्छा है, ना ही सब कुछ बुरा है. All of
Hmm.
us have a mixed bag. So can
Yes.
you explain to all of us, Gauri, if painful relationships, are they also a part of our soul contracts?
Yes, yes, they very much are. Like we have beautiful relationships that are part of that contract, and so are those painful relations. But the most important thing that we have to remember here is that जब हमने वो soul plan आखा था, there's a very wonderful book, Your Soul's Plan is the name of the book.
Okay.
And if you go through that book, you'll understand कि हमें पता होता है in the third dimension, जो पहले भी मैंने बोला था कि हमें पता होता है in the third dimension कि ये इसके लिए हो रहा है, एंड एंड कोई circumstance खुशी का या दुख का इसलिए हो रहा है because I have to learn from here, बट हम जब यहाँ आते हैं हम वो भूल जाते हैं, और जब हम वो भूल जाते हैं हम हर एक चीज को बहुत सीरियसली ले लेते हैं कि मतलब अरे यार इसने तो मुझे धोखा दे दिया, इट्स ओके, दे दिया, ही हैज डन हिज पार्ट और शी हैज डन हिज पार्ट, अब आगे बढ़ो, यू कैन, एज वी सेड, यू कैन क्राई फॉर अ बिट बट बाद में हमें आगे बढ़ना है. बिकॉज अगर हमने उसी चीज को अपना बहुत बड़ा दुख या बहुत बड़ा सुख बना लिया, तो शायद हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम अपने रिमेनिंग कर्मा में +1 ऐड कर रहे हैं, जिसके वजह से शायद हमें वापस आना पड़े, या
Yeah.
हम अपने करंट लाइफ में ही प्रॉब्लम्स, कंफ्यूजन्स, मे बी मोर इश्यूज ऐड कर रहे हैं. सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इज इट्स अ रोल दैट वी आर प्लेइंग, और ये हमें पता है कि ये हो रहा है. It may take some time to understand this is a very painful relation. For that, you may need to sit with yourself. The whole our podcast is about enlightenment within. So every episode we talk about हम अंदर कैसे झाके to understand कि हम ये अपने आप से कैसे heal कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for that, I'm so sorry. So for that, you have to first maybe sit in meditation. Understand, अगर हमें रोना आ रहा है, Is it because there's something I have to learn from this relationship, or is it just because हमें ये temporary गम या दुख हो रहा है इसीलिए? I'm not saying any गम या दुख is छोटा या बड़ा. I'm just saying it is there. It is there. But once we sit to understand what is going on, then the universe automatically helps us. एक step, one step after the other step to understand and figure out कि हम इसको कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं.
Also, you know what I feel, Gauri, what sometimes gives me relief is when I'm going through a tough phase in a relationship. I feel at a soul level, I have only chosen this.
Yes.
So whatever I am going through is 100% my responsibility.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the minute you start thinking on those lines, and the minute you start accepting that I deserve whatever is happening in my life, it gives you a sense of freedom.
Yes.
And why is that? Because then nobody else is controlling your life. You know,
Yes.
you
Yes.
literally take back the remote control of your life from
Yeah.
someone's hands who's really pressing your buttons. एक बटन प्रेस किया तो गुस्सा आ गया, दूसरा प्रेस किया तो रोना आ गया, तीसरा प्रेस किया तो हंसी आ गई. You know,
Yeah.
you're literally
Yeah.
taking that remote control in your own hands. So, um, remembering this and understanding this, that whatever happens in my life, the good and the bad, is only because of me.
Yes.
And these people who are causing these issues are the characters that I've only chosen.
Yes.
They have just come here to be a part of my story, of which
Yes.
I am the actor, the director, the producer, the script writer, everything. If
Yes.
someone has come into my life and given me grief and gone away, I chose that experience because there was
You.
some lena dena that had to
Yes.
happen between
And the learning.
two souls. And the
Yes.
learning, of
Yes.
course. So maybe learning for some people might be difficult. See, when you're going through difficulties in your life, when you're going through a very rough phase, to understand that this has come here to teach me something, I think should always be the second step. The first step should be accept it. Okay,
Yes.
acceptance that I have created this misery or I
Yes.
have created this joy, and then you move forward to understanding what the lesson is. Because एकदम से अगर हम लेसन पे भी आते हैं ना, that becomes very overwhelming. And
Yeah.
फिर वो जब समझ नहीं आता, क्योंकि हम में से बहुत लोगों को समझ नहीं आता कि हमारा लेसन ही क्या है, क्या है हमको जो सीखना है. Lot of people don't, and I'm
Yeah.
sure Gauri is going to throw more light on that as we move further. Lot
Yeah.
of us don't understand what the lesson is. So
Yeah.
I think the first step should be acceptance. Accept what is.
Yes.
And then move from there. Take next steps, small steps. Don't be ready to jump from A to straight away Z or whatever. Take
Yeah.
baby steps, and
Yes.
then you'll create a plan for yourself. Okay, excellent.
There's also one thing that I would like to add, that जैसे आपने बोला ना कि पहले नहीं समझ सकता,
Yeah.
but you know there are people who take अच्छा ये मेरे लाइफ में हुआ, ये क्यों हुआ, the introspection in some people to understand कि ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है तो क्यों हो रहा है, because the most important thing is it repeating in your life, you know,
Yes.
the
Yes.
patterns, are they repeating? So if
Yeah.
they're repeating again and again, which means आपको जो सीखना था वो अभी तक आप सीखे नहीं हो,
Yeah.
एंड अगर आप सीखेंगे नहीं तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि अच्छा इसके बाद भी मुझे कुछ सीखना है. अगर हम एक ही कर्मा पे फंसे रहेंगे तो हम जो 9 कर्मा सीखने के लिए आए हैं वो रह जाएगा. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वो बोलते हैं ना कि एक चीज पे स्टिक मत रहो. फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन टू दिस. इफ यू आर थ्रू गोइंग थ्रू पेन, फील द पेन, एक्सेप्ट द पेन, फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन एज टू मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम दूसरों पे उंगलियां दिखा देते हैं कि इसके वजह से मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ, बट शायद उन्होंने कुछ किया होगा. जैसे आपने बोला ना, you should have the remote control in your hands and you
Yeah.
should not give the remote control. चाहे सामने वाला आपके साथ कुछ भी कर रहा है, but do you really want to be sad and do you really want to bring your energy down? Because if you bring your energy down, they have won, you know. Or
Exactly. And
yeah.
and like we always say, no, love binds, hate
Yes.
also binds.
Yes.
It keeps you stuck, energetically stuck with that person or that situation. So whatever you focus on in life, whatever
Yes.
you give your energy to,
Yeah.
that is going to grow and expand in your life. Of course, I'm
Yes.
not talking about one-off situations कि अभी 2 मिनट गुस्सा आया हो और वो ठीक हो गया, not that. But like you're saying, if there's a repeated pattern of, let's say, constant anger or guilt or
Yes.
shame or whatever the issue is, and your energy is only in those emotions, that is going to grow. And you
Yes.
will see the evidence of it, because
Yes.
you will meet people who are like that. You
Yeah.
will encounter difficult situations that make you angry again and again and again,
Yeah.
till you break that pattern. Also, there is also a karmic timeline.
Yes.
कभी जब अगर
Absolutely.
वो फिक्स प्रारब्ध है तो वो जब ही बदलेगा, जब वो बदलेगा, जब वो
Yes.
आई थिंक हमारा टाइम आता है कि उससे रिलीज
Yes.
होने का, वो तभी
Yes.
होता है. सो इट्स सो मल्टी फैसेटेड कि हम इसको सिर्फ एक नजरिए से नहीं देख सकते. इट हैज टू बी सीन लाइक कर्मा इज लाइक it can be so simple and so complicated at
Yeah.
the same time. So it needs to be really looked at from different angles.
I would just like to share one thing about this. जैसे आपने बोला ना कि जब प्रारब्ध जब आता है, जब हमें कुछ मिलना होता है, तब हमें वो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी जब मैच्योर होनी होती है तब मिल जाती है,
Yeah,
लाइक यू सेड फॉर कर्मा. बट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इन दिस. जब वो टाइम आता है तब तो हम छूट ही जाते हैं, बट देयर इज वन मोर थिंग. जब तक हम वो स्ट्रगलिंग टाइम में होते हैं ना, भगवान हमें, या शायद हमारी खुद की आत्मा या परमात्मा जो भी है, आई आई गिव ऑल द क्रेडिट ऑलवेज टू द परमात्मा, सो
yes,
इसीलिए मैं शायद ये बोल रही हूँ. पर हम उस चीज में, उस डिफिकल्ट टाइम में इतना सीख चुके होते हैं ना, इतना सीख चुके होते हैं. इट कुड बी इन रिगार्ड्स टू द सिचुएशन, एंड ऑल्सो इट कुड बी इन रिगार्ड्स टू द other things that the soul needs to learn. I just remember a line Kangna Ranaut used to say, जब मेरे पास काम नहीं होता था ना, मैं फ्री नहीं बैठती थी, मैं सीखती रहती थी. जो भी
absolutely.
मुझे सीखना है मैं सीखती रहती थी. सो
Yeah,
एंड आई बिलीव कि जब तुम्हारा टाइम होता है ना टू टू फेस द प्रॉब्लम्स, वही आपका टाइम होता है टू लर्न,
to
यू नो,
learn, very
टू
true.
लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स. और हमें शायद पता भी नहीं है, ये शायद हमारे साथ सबकॉन्शियसली हो रहा है कि यू नो, यू आर इन अ टफ टाइम, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम फॉर यू. उतने में आप कुछ सीख जाते हो. वैसे वैसे इट हैपेंस विद लाइफ, यू नो, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अर्थ इज अ स्कूल. सो या.
Yes, it is a school. Okay, excellent. Yeah, I hope that's given our viewers also a lot of
Yes.
insight on this. Okay, my next question, Gauri, to you is: are soul contracts connected to karma and our past lives?
Yes, definitely. They are connected to karma and our past lives because, like I said, there's, like Pooja ji said, there's a blueprint that every soul makes before they
Yeah.
come. Now, say for example, you are in this lifetime and you have finished some karmas with some people, and there's still few karmas left for some of the souls that you have to learn. Now, when you decide to take another life, whenever that is, there's again your soul spiritual team, your masters, your angels, everyone coming around, your higher self coming around with you, and they'll वो आपको बताएंगे कि अच्छा तुमने पर्सन ए बी सी के साथ ये कर्मा फिनिश कर दिया है, तो we'll eliminate that. Now it's remaining D E F, they are remaining, and you have still not learned it. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम आपको at the age of 10 ये सीखने को देंगे कि we'll give you a option. अगर आप एज 10 में ही पर्सन डी के साथ ये फिनिश कर देते हैं, नहीं तो we'll give you one more option when you are 15 years old to finish that karma, but maybe the person will be different to finish. अभी ये हुआ क्यों? क्योंकि हमने पास्ट लाइफ में वो कर्मा फिनिश ही नहीं किया जो हमें फिनिश करना था. सो इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं जैसे कि जो हमारी इच्छा, जो इच्छा की पूर्ति नहीं हुई है, जैसे अगर हमने किसी से कोई उधार लिया है और वो उधार चुकाने से पहले ही हमारे शरीर ने हमारी आत्मा ने शरीर को छोड़ दिया, तो हमें वो उधार, सिर्फ वो उधार फिनिश करने के लिए तो आना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगेन हमें कोई फोर्स नहीं करता आने के लिए. बट द ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट अबाउट एवरी वन सोल इज दैट अगर हम, वो जब हमें मूवी दिखाई जाती है कि ये लाइफ तुम्हारी कैसी गई,
कैसे
हमें
निकले?
अगर ये दिखाई जाता है कि हमने अगर किसी को इत्तू सा भी तकलीफ दिया है ना, इत्तू सा भी 0.01, nobody is asking you to take the rebirth again. हमें
Hmm.
खुद को लगता है नहीं यार, मैंने उसको 0.01% तंग किया ना, let me just go back again
Yes.
and let me just finish that, because हमको इतना, the soul feels that bad.
Yeah, the soul is just energy of love. It's only
Yes.
once it comes into the human body, that's the where the matter is so dense, and
Yes.
it forgets what its originality is, and it takes
Yes.
on all these different vibrations and relations, and then it really forgets its true nature. Yeah,
Yeah.
and rightly, the essence of the soul is just pure love, and when you
Hmm.
operate from love, you're
Hmm.
always in a very giving mode.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
suppose that could be the reason why, even if there is 1% something
Yeah.
left with someone, you take. But my teacher used to always say this, that So जैसा आपने बताया that when we die, the soul goes through a review. It's called a review in which
Yeah.
the entire life is like a movie,
Yeah.
scene by scene is shown to you,
Yeah.
and all the deeds that we think we do कि कोई देख नहीं रहा या किसी
हाँ.
को पता नहीं चलेगा, वो सब वो जो सारी होती है वो सब उस वक्त सामने आती है क्योंकि किसी को सब कुछ पता है और ये हमें
बिल्कुल.
कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
So my teacher used to say this that before going, and this is a technique I would like to share for anyone who wants to follow this, that before you go to bed at night, review your day. Okay,
हम्म.
हमने सुबह से लेके शाम तक क्या किया, just review your day. And
Yeah.
let's say you have hurt someone,
हम्म.
sometimes deliberately, sometimes unknowingly, just ask, mentally ask for forgiveness and release that stress, that anger, that guilt from your body.
Yeah.
And when you do it continuously, we don't realize how much of the negative energy
Yeah.
we are burning just by this process. You know,
Yes.
send blessings to people. Kind
Do.
of just
Yes.
remove, energetically remove all the wrong that you have done. Bless the people, especially the ones who are causing you the maximum problem,
Yes.
because at the
Yes.
soul level,
Absolutely.
they may just be your best friends that you don't know yet.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that's really good understanding. Okay. So can understanding soul contracts help us release pain and resentment? If someone were to really understand what soul contracts are, and that, I mean, you've been explaining to us now, can understanding this release the pain, the resentment, the suffering that we go through?
See, understanding that gives you a clarity of why are you with this particular person,
Yes.
as any relation, as a
Yeah.
sister, brother, mother, father. Understanding that releases you from that burden कि ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, या
Hmm.
मुझे ही ऐसे भाई बहन क्यों मिलने थे, या मुझे ही ऐसे लोग क्यों मिलने थे. It releases you of that. The second thing is that जैसे कि आपने बोला, प्यार सबसे बड़ा वो होता है,
Vibration. Yeah.
वाइब्रेशन
It's the
होता है.
highest vibration.
It's the highest vibration, and it is also something भगवत गीता में बोला गया कि वही हमें सबसे ज्यादा पकड़ के रखता है.
Hmm.
नाउ से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे धृतराष्ट्र थे, मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल याद आता है. वो उनको अंधा प्यार था अपने बच्चों से, उनको कोई लेना देना नहीं था कि वो बच्चे कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
वो प्यार भी कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें दिक्कत में डाल गया. सो कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन विच वाज कि कैसे, हाउ कैन वी गेट थ्रू दिस पेन, इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि okay, this is the plan that I've made, that is the reason why I've attracted the people, or I have requested those people to be in my life. That is the first part. Second thing is neutrality. I understand that neutrality cannot be possible when it comes to your own people, but
Hmm.
भगवत
Very
गीता
hard.
में यही तो बताया गया है कि अर्जुन, ये तेरे हैं, ये तेरे मामा जी हैं, चाचा जी हैं, भाई हैं, पर ये इस जन्म के लिए है, जब तक तुझे ये सीखना है. ये
Hmm.
कोई तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा 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 फॉर एवर नहीं रहने वाले हैं.
Hmm.
सो दैट इज द सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट एवरी वन इंक्लूडिंग यू आर प्लेइंग अ पार्ट in the life that you're living. Like you said,
Hmm.
you are the actor, you are the director, you are the producer,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
So if you are doing everything and you are just here for a certain amount of time to learn, receive, mostly give,
Hmm.
because you
Hmm.
also have a soul community जिनके
Yeah.
लिए आप करना चाहते हैं कुछ, या देना चाहते हैं, या आप सिखाना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए भी आप आए हैं.
Tell us
एंड
a little
कमिंग,
bit more, Gauri, about soul community. What is a soul community?
अ सोल कम्युनिटी इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं यहाँ नीचे आई हूँ टू गिव टीचिंग्स अबाउट से मैथ्स, राइट, तो मैं वो मैथ्स का जब लोगों को सिखाती हूँ, द सोल्स दैट आर बीइंग हेल्प्ड बाय दिस, जब उनको मदद मिलती है या जब उन्हें खुशी मिलती है, तो मेरी जो कम्युनिटी है, दैट कम्युनिटी कुड बी ऑफ द सेम टीचर्स कम्युनिटी, इट कुड बी ऑफ द सेम सोल वाइब्रेशन कम्युनिटी, जो सोल फैमिली से फैमिली जैसी ही होती है हमारी. तो जब मैं वो कर रही हूँ उनके लिए, जब उनको वो मिल रहा है, तो मेरी सोल कम्युनिटी के सोल्स का भी कहीं ना कहीं ग्रोथ हो रहा है. सो व्हेन आई डू दिस, आई एम ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग माई सोल फैमिली, आई एम हेल्पिंग माई सोल कम्युनिटी, आई एम हेल्पिंग, आई एम, अगर मैंने किसी के लिए मैंने वॉलेंट्री किसी के लिए चूज किया कि ये मेरा सोल फ्रेंड है, मैं इसके साथ सिर्फ जन्म लूंगा ताकि इसका ये कर्म टूटे, तो दैट इज माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं इसमें उलझू नहीं. इसीलिए बीइंग न्यूट्रल साउंड्स लाइक इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर हम उस चीज में उलझ गए तो मैं भी बार 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 उलझना पड़ेगा, और पता नहीं बाहर निकलने के लिए कितने जन्म कम पड़ जाएंगे. तो
But ये
इसीलिए
यही समझ तो आना ही सबके लिए सबके लिए तो खैर मैं नहीं कहूंगी, बट बहुतों के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि यही समझ आना कि इसमें उलझना नहीं है, इससे बाहर निकलना है। How does, when you are in the heat of a relationship, or let's say a situation, an argument, at that point to think that मुझे इसमें और उलझना नहीं है, I
हाँ,
suppose would require a lot of practice, living in a lot of awareness of the consequences of your actions, and really understanding karma and soul contracts, I think, because for regular people, I think it should be really hard to do.
I'll tell you something that my mother used to tell me कि जैसे कि किसी किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो गया विच इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ योर फैमिली से मम्मी पापा नहीं है कोई और हैं जिनके साथ हमारा झगड़ा हो गया तो अगर सामने वाले के साथ झगड़ा होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं हमको बहुत गुस्सा आता है कि इसने ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया वी फाइट बैक
Hmm.
तो जब मैं ये चीज मम्मी को बोलती थी तो मुझे मम्मी एक ही चीज पूछती थी कि गौरी अगर तुमने मेरे साथ ये झगड़ा किया होता तो क्या तुम वैसे ही मेरे साथ झगड़ती जैसे तुम इस बंदे के साथ झगड़ी हो या तुम ये सोचती नहीं यार जाने दो मेरी माँ है मे बी शी इज
Mhm.
कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड मे
Yeah.
बी यू वुड हैव टेकन अ पॉज एट दैट टाइम
Hmm.
टू अंडरस्टैंड कि नहीं यार मे बी लेट हर काम डाउन एंड देन आई टॉक और
Hmm.
अगर मैं गुस्सा हूँ और वो शांत है तो वो सोचेंगे यार नहीं लेट हर काम डाउन एंड देन वी विल टॉक
Hmm.
इट इज ऑल अबाउट द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ लव कि
Yes.
अगर हम जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मम्मी पापा की तो बात ही अलग होती है बिकॉज बिकॉज वी आर पार्ट ऑफ देम अगर हम किसी दोस्त की बात करें जो दोस्त कह लीजिए हमारा 15-20 साल पुराना दोस्त है बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है बट इसको हमने बहुत चांसेस दे दिए बट फिर भी वो हमारे साथ कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है विच इज स्पॉइलिंग आवर रिलेशनशिप द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज 15 साल का दोस्त है बहुत बहुत दिन देखे हैं हमने साथ में बहुत प्यार प्यार की मोमेंट साथ में स्पेंड किए हैं बहुत डिनर्स में भी साथ में स्पेंड किया है तो हो गया होगा उससे गलती हो गई होगी एंड इफ यू फील कि ठीक है अभी मुझे इस पे भरोसा नहीं देना है यू कैन स्टिल से इट बट विथ कंप्लीट लव ऑफ बीइंग कि ये मेरा दोस्त है ना ठीक है मैं इसके साथ हूं पर दूर से हूं मैं इसमें फंसूंगा नहीं कि देख भाई मैंने तेरे पे बहुत भरोसा किया आई गेव यू 15 years फिर भी तूने दूसरी बार ऐसा किया आई एम स्टिल गिविंग यू अ चांस बट आई एम कीपिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस क्योंकि खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करना भी तो इतना ही जरूरी है
Very important. Setting boundaries is so
यस
important.
यस
Otherwise, I just feel you lose the sense of self if you don't create boundaries, and
यस
don't implement them, and don't communicate those boundaries, because बाउंड्रीज बनाना बड़ा आसान होता है, उनको कम्युनिकेट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम बोल ही नहीं पाते लोगों को कि दिस एंड नो मोर,
हाँ
सो
एंड
या
देयर इज
दैट्स
ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग कि हम एक ही परमात्मा के अंश हैं तो हम वैसे तो एक ही हुए हैं ना अगर किसी
एब्सोल्युटली।
ने गलती भी कर दी तो हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि ठीक है यार इसको कुछ हुआ होगा यू नो इफ यू सी इट सोल वाइज आप में और मुझ में कोई फर्क नहीं है अगर हम में कोई फर्क है तो वो हमारे लाइफ टाइम का कर्मास का और हमारे संस्कारों का है पर वैसे देखा जाए तो वी बोथ आर मेड एवरीवन इज मेड ऑफ लव लाइट पीस ओनली देयर इज नो डिफरेंस वैसे तो व्हेन वी इसीलिए द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ self love not by the meaning of self pity or obsession with yourself but just understanding what gives you joy what gives
या
you a bit of vibrational low what happens when this happens when you understand yourself फिर आपको ये समझ आता है कि शायद ये बंदा ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड उसके बाद भी अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार डिस्टेंस इज नेसेसरी कीप द डिस्टेंस बिकॉज यू आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर योर
Yes,
सेल्फ
absolutely.
ऑलवेज
Absolutely. So, what you're talking about really supports the theory of oneness, that we
yes
are all interconnected with each other. So, what I do to you, I'm actually doing to myself, because,
yes
yeah, maybe one day we can talk about the theory of oneness also, who knows? But
Yes,
yeah,
because it's so
this
deep and nice. It's
it's very,
beautiful.
very, very, very deep, and it's something to really reflect upon, because
Yeah,
it was saying, what you do unto others, you do unto you.
yeah,
It means just this, that if I'm actually harming someone, and I think I'm going to get away with it, वो
yeah.
कभी नहीं होता। वो
नहीं
ऐसा
नहीं
होता है कि उस जरूरी नहीं कि उस जने से मैंने ए को हार्म करा तो ए से ही वापस मुझे हार्म आएगा, मुझे बी सी डी किसी से आएगा वापस जरूर, बिकॉज दैट कर्मा इज एग्जैक्ट, व्हाट यू हैव सेंट आउट must come back, that is the law.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
yeah, it may not come back from the same person, because that same person has raised their vibration. They don't want to get, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो, वो इस लूप में फंसना नहीं चाहते, तो वो यही सोच रहे हैं कि इनसे शायद कोई गलती हो गई, इनका आज
Hmm.
मूड अच्छा नहीं हुआ होगा या आज इनका दिन अच्छा नहीं होगा. I don't want to get entangled in their drama, so they withdraw. Once
Yes.
they withdraw, you're anyways cutting that energetic loop that binds you together.
Yeah.
So इन्होंने तो अपना हटा लिया. अब
हाँ.
आप क्या कर रहे हैं वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो जो आपने अगर एक बैड ब्लैक बॉल फेंका है और इस इंसान ने उसको रिसीव नहीं किया, तो
Hmm.
इन्होंने तो अपना कर्म काट लिया. बट आपने जो फेंका है वो इसने रिसीव नहीं किया, लेकिन वो किसी ने रिसीव किया है.
बिल्कुल.
आपका
बिल्कुल.
मैच जो होगा वो
Hmm.
आपके सामने 100% आएगा. सो
बिल्कुल.
energy can only be transmuted. You know,
Yes.
it
Yes.
cannot be changed. I mean, you've done a wrong deed will come back. It will
Absolutely.
come back. And these wrong deeds and good deeds and nice deeds, all of this you only plan. So
Yes.
taking responsibility, like you said, being in awareness of who you are
Yes. Yes.
and taking responsibility for your life is the first step towards a better life, or
Yes.
first step towards spiritual betterment, if I may say so.
There's
Really, really, really taking control of your life ki matlab,
yes.
I feel, Gauri, this when I started doing this exercise many years back, we were asked this question, who am I? Okay, I was
Yes.
sitting in a, this is
Yeah.
a, it's a very deep question. At that
Yes.
time I didn't have this understanding of the subject. So I started writing, I'm a mother, I'm a daughter, I am this, I am that.
Yeah.
And my teacher was laughing, and then we went on from one level to the next level. And then he says, okay, if you're not a mother, if you're not a daughter, if you're not a colleague, who are you?
Hmm.
So many pages just went blank. I couldn't understand who I was. तो
Yeah.
जब हम सब ये कोई ना कोई रिलेशनशिप के कोई ऐसे मुखौटे पहनते हैं, जब
बिल्कुल.
हम उनको उतार के रखें, उसके बाद जो वो बचता है वो
Hmm.
हम है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड मैंने ये सीखा है कि to understand who you are, you need to understand your value systems. Like,
Yes.
what are the non-negotiables in your life? कि एक्सटर्नली कुछ भी हो जाए, तो ये
Hmm.
इंटरनल स्थिति मेरी नहीं चेंज हो
नहीं बट
सकती, बिकॉज ये मेरा वैल्यू सिस्टम है. सो
yeah.
दैट्स वन वे टू डू इट. एंड आई डोंट नो, मे बी इफ यू वांट टू थ्रो
There's
सम लाइट ऑन दिस.
yes, there's just one thing that comes into my head because क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, you know how we are saying कि we are playing roles and कैसे इसको माफ कैसे करें या ये resentment को निकाले कैसे as you asked the question.
या
इसीलिए that I think that is something that came was जैसे कि जब जब हम भगवान से बातें करते हैं ना, भगवान से बातें करने का तरीका बहुत अलग अलग होता है. वन कुड मेडिटेट, वन कुड सिट एंड जस्ट टॉक लाइक यू एंड आई आर
यस
टॉकिंग टुगेदर.
यस
तो जब हम वो मेडिटेशन या उस स्थिति में होते हैं एंड व्हेन वी गेट द रियल रिस्पॉन्सेस कि भगवान कितना कृपालु है, और इतना कृपालु कि हम कितने भी कुछ भी कर लें फिर भी वो उतनी ही प्यार से बात करेगा जितना शायद शायद हम जब बहुत छोटे थे तो हमारी माँ हमसे बात करती थी कि जैसे हमने कुछ भी कर दिया तो भी हम छोटे हैं तो एवरीथिंग इज माफ हो जाता था.
या
तो व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो भगवान जिसको सब पता है कि तुमने कैसे कर्म किए हैं कैसे नहीं किए हैं फिर भी वो प्यार करने के लिए उतना ही तत्पर है जितना वो सबके लिए है. तो व्हेन वी थिंक ऑफ इट फ्रॉम अ सोल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हम सोचते हैं अगर भगवान हमें इतना प्यार कर सकता है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जस्ट लाइक व्हाट यू सेड, अगर हम उसी परमात्मा पे अपनी एनर्जी को फोकस रखेंगे.
या
मतलब आई टेल यू एन इंस्टेंस, ठीक है. देयर वाज अ वेरी बिग फाइट गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन मी एंड समवन आई न्यू एंड इट वाज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल डे टू डे फाइट एंड ऑटोमेटिकली मैंने सिर्फ आंखें बंद की क्योंकि आई वाज सिटिंग और स्टैंडिंग आई डोंट रिमेंबर बट आई क्लोज माय आईज एंड आई थॉट ऑफ just how would Parampita Parmeshwar look like at that point? And as soon as I don't even remember what I saw, I just saw light. I just saw orangish yellow light. And there was so much love and I just felt like someone was smiling, looking at me like कितनी खुशी हो रही है उनको मुझसे
हाउ
मिलके.
ब्यूटीफुल.
In that moment जो भी झगड़ा चल रहा था, that frequency, that vibration just cut off क्योंकि I was thinking of the source of happiness, love, peace. मतलब in that millisecond I just closed my eyes and I saw it and I realized this is not this is not affecting me anymore. I know it's not that simple, but I would just recommend all of यू नो एवरीवन, इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई दिस प्लीज ट्राई। क्योंकि ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि हमारे घर में कभी झगड़े ना हो या
Yeah.
हमारे बीच में कभी बिकरिंग या कुछ छोटी, और वो भी छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए होती है, विच वी ऑल नो कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए था। सो
Hmm.
व्हेन वी जस्ट क्लोज आवर आईज एंड वी जस्ट थिंक ऑफ एनीवन, जस्ट राम सीता लक्ष्मण, और जस्ट द रे ऑफ लाइट, कभी कभी सूरज भगवान की भी किरणें देख के बहुत आनंद मिलता है, वैसे ही देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इफ यू जस्ट be in that energy for even 10 seconds, believe me, you'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, जाने दो, उसको बोलना है
I'm going to
बोलने दो।
try this.
Yes, it's just wonderful.
Yeah, yeah. How nice. Okay, Gauri. Now tell us simply, in a simple way,
Hmm.
how do we work? Like, tell us some simple techniques, some simple things that all of us can do to really come out of these trying and challenging experiences. Yeah, we understood from what you have told us what are soul contracts, and it's a part and parcel that we bring together when we take birth हो गया. अब वो है, अब वो
Hmm.
contract है, and
Hmm.
वो contract इस पर्सन के साथ है या इस सिचुएशन के साथ है, उसमें हमें बड़ी डिफिकल्टी आ रही है.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
can you tell us a few simple ways of how we can change that energy probably and easily get out if we can of that difficult situation?
Yes, yes. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से कि कभी भी कोई डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन एकदम आती है ना, तो उसमें हमें कोई सोल्यूशन काम करता हुआ नजर नहीं आता, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। क्योंकि
Yeah.
वी नीड टाइम टू एक्सेप्ट, एज यू सेड, वंस यू
Yeah.
एक्सेप्ट कि हमें एक्सेप्ट करके आगे बढ़ना है कि इसमें मैं क्या सीख सकती हूँ और मैं इस सिचुएशन से क्या ले सकती हूँ। इज इट समथिंग आई नीड टू डू, आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, और इज इट समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज हाउ द पर्सन इज, एंड I'll not let my energies get affected. तो उसके लिए पहला point which you know a lot I felt was necessary was, अगर झगड़ा भी हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, early morning when there's no sound, there's no traffic का आवाज, कुछ भी, just sit in with yourself, you know, आंखें बंद करके नहीं भी बैठ सकते तो just have a chant of ओमकार that is going in the background for you, जो जो बस आपको थोड़ा सा काम करे. And like Pooja ji also said in the energy episode, she said, you know, खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करना, खुद को ग्राउंड करना, बिकॉज एज यू ग्राउंड और एज यू वॉक इन द ग्रास इवन फॉर 5 minutes और बी
Yeah.
अंडर द सनलाइट फॉर 5 minutes, वो आपकी एनर्जी शिफ्ट कर देता है. There's also a very important thing which I feel, have heard it that Modi ji does it, is journaling. Like you said,
Mm.
आपने पूरे दिन में क्या क्या किया, अगर आपका किसी के साथ झगड़ा भी हुआ तो journal it, and आप जब वो लिखते हो तो आपको भी समझ आता है कि इस चीज में मुझे क्या करना है या उन्हें क्या करना है. और मैंने ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चीज कही सुनी थी कि हम ना सामने वाले को बदल नहीं सकते. तो
कभी भी नहीं.
अगर हम ये सोचे कि अच्छा अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो ये सामने वाला बदल जाएगा, तो इसके बदलने के बाद मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी, दैट इज नेवर गोइंग टू हैपन. सो द फर्स्ट पर्सन दैट यू कैन बिलीव इन एंड ट्रस्ट इन एंड वर्क ऑन इज योर सेल्फ,
Mm.
is one thing. And then there are other modalities that we have to understand कि अगर ये मेरे साथ एक repeated pattern है, अगर there's a pattern of constant just giving love and not receiving it, or feeling that having that pity wala feeling on yourself, are you having that feeling every time something happens in your life, which means either you have not learned the lesson or you have not understood the lesson for you to learn it. That's the second part, which means आप जैसे कि there are many modalities like we spoke about, RTT, past life regression, that we do through hypnosis, which actually heals and tries to help you understand कि अगर इस पर्टिकुलर किसी भी बंदे के साथ मुझे दिक्कत आ रही है, if say for example mothers are usually very very loving, there is no mother I know who can have a very harsh मन से कोई भावना हो अपने बच्चे के लिए, बट समटाइम्स पीपल एक्सपीरियंस वेरी हार्श रिलेशनशिप्स विद देयर मदर्स. अभी वो क्यों है, दैट पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन, व्हाई इज दैट, जो सबके लिए प्यार देता है वो रिलेशन आपके लिए क्यों प्यार नहीं दे रहा. तो सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, आरटीटी कैन हेल्प, पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन कैन हेल्प. देयर इज ऑल्सो आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स रीडिंग, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि अच्छा इनके साथ कुछ था तो नहीं बचा हुआ मेरा, जिसके वजह से आई एम फीलिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, क्योंकि देयर इज डेफिनेटली अ रीजन why you have chosen that particular soul, जो आप जिसको आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं यार आओ just help me learn. क्योंकि कभी कभी माँ का strict होना भी is a very big learning कि now you have to become confident.
Mm.
Either now you have to, आप बहुत ज्यादा comfort zone में रह चुके हो, अभी आपको you have to take योर ओन स्टेप्स, खुद के पैरों पे खड़ा रह के कॉन्फिडेंटली यू हैव टू सर्वाइव एंड फेस द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों में वो भी नहीं होता. सो इट कुड
Yes.
बी डिफरेंट लर्निंग्स. द
Hmm.
मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, अगर आपको कोई चीज आ रही है बार 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 बार, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन being very important, and then understanding कि आपकी need क्या है. Is there
Hmm.
something that you have to let go of is also very important. क्योंकि
Hmm.
कभी कभी people just stay in relationships that are very heartbreaking for themselves, क्योंकि उस टाइम में भी उनको पता नहीं होता कि मैं इससे बाहर कैसे निकलूं. बट there's one thing that I always remember is, हमें अपने आप के अलावा कोई नहीं बचा सकता. So
Exactly. You have to be the hero in the story of your
yes,
life.
yes,
Always. Always.
yes.
Yeah, very true what you're saying. And since you touched upon RTT and being an RTT practitioner, I have seen this with the several clients that I have worked with, that anything in your life that requires a change will always tell you to change first,
Yes.
because spending your time, effort, energy in blaming other people for what's going wrong in your life or trying to change another is
Hmm.
a futile waste of time. It only brings about
Energy. Yes.
frustration and anger and nothing else. You
Yes.
want to change your life, यू फर्स्ट चेंज योर डीड्स. आपका कर्म कैसे बनता है? हमारी जो डीड्स होती हैं, जो हम करते हैं, उससे कर्म बनता है. और वो हम
Hmm.
जो जो करते हैं, वो हम सोचते हैं, वो हम महसूस करते हैं, फिर हम वो करते हैं. Our
Hmm.
thoughts, our
Hmm.
emotions will create an action, and that action will give an outcome. Now,
Yes.
if you want to change that outcome, first change who you are and what you think, because the universe is going to give you on your plate who you are, not what you verbally speak. क्योंकि
Yes.
बोलने के तो हम सब बहुत सुंदर सुंदर शब्द बोल सकते हैं, अंदर से हम लोगों को जज करते हैं, उन्हें गालियां देते हैं, तो फिर ऐसे ही लोग हमारे सामने आते हैं, फिर हम सोचते हैं कि लोग हमसे क्यों चिढ़ते हैं,
Hmm.
या हम
Hmm.
हमसे क्यों, हम इतनी जजमेंट के शिकार क्यों होते हैं. भले
Hmm.
ही हम बहुत मीठा बोलते हैं, लेकिन जो हम अंदर रखते हैं. सो in my experience with RTT, it's such a powerful technique to access the subconscious mind
Yes.
through hypnosis and intercept your belief systems.
Hmm.
Um,
Hmm.
हमें पता भी नहीं होता हम कैसे कभी अपने पेरेंट्स से, कभी सोसाइटी से, कल्चर से हम बिलीफ सिस्टम लेके आगे बढ़ते हैं. दैट इज नॉट इवन रिक्वायर्ड. लाइक बचपन में all those who are at least my age would have heard this a lot from their parents. Money doesn't grow on trees. पैसे कोई
Yeah.
पेड़ पे नहीं
Hmm.
उगते. सोच के
Hmm.
खर्चो, ये करो. तो हमारा क्या है, एक बिलीफ बन जाता है of
Yeah.
scarcity of. Sometimes
Yeah.
we know about it, sometimes we don't know about
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
these beliefs are formed that are not even our own.
Hmm.
हमें पता भी नहीं होता वो हमारे अंदर बैठे हुए हैं. तो जब तक हम अपने डीड्स को नहीं चेंज करते, तब तक हम कुछ अपनी लाइफ में बदल बदल ही नहीं सकते. बिकॉज किसी और को तो आप बदल नहीं सकते. वो कोई
बिल्कुल.
और आपका हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकता है, आपके अपने बच्चों को नहीं बदल सकते. आई
बिल्कुल.
हैव 2 kids. कैन आई
Yeah.
चेंज व्हाट दे आर? नो, आई कैन नॉट चेंज.
No.
आई कैन ओनली
No.
गाइड देम. I can, tell them right from wrong through my lenses, through
Hmm.
my
Hmm.
experiences. They can have a
Hmm.
totally different one. So you
Hmm.
really can't change anything. And yes, like you're saying, introspection, meditation, कोई नाम जाप करना, um, uh, help lena with past life
बिल्कुल.
regression modalities, RTT. These are things that all of us can practice.
Yeah.
And they, I'm sure, will help us come out of a difficult situation. In the sense, it will at least give us clarity, show
Yeah.
us a path forward. Okay,
Yes.
coming to Akashic records that you had mentioned, you are an Akashic reader. I
Hmm.
know that. So
Hmm.
I would love to share this with everyone. Gauri is a fabulous Akashic reader. She does automatic writing, and she can connect with souls and give messages from whoever your loved ones are who have passed on. I've had personal experience with her in Akashic readings. Not just me, my entire family actually.
Yeah.
And we are so grateful, of course, to you, Gauri, for all the insights that you have given us. So, can you just tell us that how does Akashic reading help in this soul to maybe understand soul contracts or heal someone in a situation? Can Akashic records reading do that?
Yes, absolutely. First of all, it was my pleasure, and I was so happy doing the reading for you, because it's always a joy, to help and to
Yes, and for everyone who's on this live, book your sessions now with her, and you will just, I mean, she's absolutely wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Send her a
thank you.
DM and then book your sessions, is what I would highly recommend.
Thank you. Thank you, Pooja. Coming back to what are Akashic records and how they can actually help with the soul contracts and the soul learnings. So, Akashic records, as we most of us would have heard, is a library of all our lifetimes. It's like जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि चित्रगुप्त ने हमारी सारी records या हमारी सारी lifetime की recordings रखी हैं. That is what, in short, is Akashic records. Now, what you can do with those Akashic records, you can do everything with those Akashic records. When those Akashic records are open, you can actually find out, why are you born in this family? The parents or anyone that is around you, why are they here? And if you're feeling any kind of pain or happiness or joy, what is the learning that you are here to do, that they are here to give you? Because it's always a give and take relation. Then there's also, what is your life mission? You can understand what your life missions are. You can understand what your soul missions are. Because जैसे आपने बोला, who am I? Why am I here? Is the main question for most of the people. And what I've understood is, it doesn't just do that. It also helps with energy healing, to understand if you're having a dip in your energy, why is that? What are the reasons? What are the remedies that can actually help you have a life that you actually want, that your soul desires, so that it can do the learning?
Hmm.
Because मैंने ये एक चीज with आकाशिक रीडिंग्स महसूस की है. What your soul wants is so of high intensity and of high frequency, uh, that we don't even understand till we understand कि हमने क्या क्या करके हम यहाँ आए हैं, और हमारे सोल को ये क्यों करना है. You also find out ये हमारे लिए क्यों important है.
Hmm. Hmm.
You also understand, if you have a pet, for example, इस पेट का और आपका क्या नाता था, कितना कितना
Hmm.
कितने जन्मों से नाता था, और
Yeah.
इसी जन्म में वापस हम क्यों मिले हैं.
Hmm.
एंड दिस ऑलवेज अमेजेस मी, बिकॉज I am just amazed with how much a pet is attached to
Yes.
the people of the family,
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah.
It's just marvelous. It just blows my mind every time. And there are also reasons, that you understand that, if someone is your mother, are they from your soul family, or are they not? Are you just here as a volunteer, or a friend who has come into this family to help heal a certain pattern of the family? If the pattern is having a low vibration for money, or being scared about money, or anything like that, anything like that, it can work on, when would you get your job, how would your life be in the next 5 years. Again, with Akashic records, it's like nobody forces you to do anything. So if you choose option A, your life might be like this. If you choose option B, your
Yeah.
life might be like this.
Yeah.
So you actually get a whole PowerPoint review of preview and review of your future and past, if you want to know all
Past.
of your
Oh, well,
past.
lovely. Yeah, I know that that has also been my experience with Akashic readings and um, the one that I had with Gauri. Like it gives you a total picture of your past,
Yeah,
and it also shows you direction moving forward. Like,
yeah,
for many of us, we have multiple choices, plan A, plan B, plan C. Up, yes, all of them are looking very nice. तो
yeah,
अब इसमें से कौन सा plan ले? So I think
yeah,
even for things like that,
yeah.
to get an Akashic reading, and more than that, I think it really helps heal you as a soul, and
Yeah.
it helps you to understand difficulty in relationships as well.
Yes.
Why
Yes.
the person has chosen to be
Yes.
difficult in your life, and how you can get rid of that pain. And can you also tell us, Corey, does Akashic healing or reading touch upon topics like evil eye or
Yes.
nazar? Like
Yes.
we talk about nazar, evil eye, black magic, all of those things. Does it also help with that?
Yes, absolutely. It does help with that. I didn't know if I should say this, but thank you so much for bringing this up. It does help. It doesn't just help with evil eye, it helps with black magic, because you understand the karma that was created in the past, because of which your soul is going through anything,
What it's going through?
nazar
Yeah.
or black magic, anything. And the beautiful part about this is, the remedies that the masters, because it's not just the masters, it could be, if I'm doing a reading with you, they're also your masters trying to communicate,
Yes.
your angels trying to communicate. They give you guidance as to how you can sit every morning, in which way, are the angels going to guide you, are your masters going to guide you, are they going to meet you, how are they going to talk to you. There are many many things that you get answers for.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. I think it's like it'll tell you everything about your life, the
yes,
past, present, and future. So,
yes,
I mean, it for me it was curiosity uh,
yeah,
that I did it, and then it was so insightful to get to know, to understand the why. Why
hmm,
am I going through what I'm going through? That's
yes,
one part, and then give you a possible direction to move
hmm,
forward, which
yes,
which may be just less challenging than something that you have been thinking of doing.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah,
thank you so much, Gauri. And I'm going to repeat this again. Anyone who's looking for any direction or wants any guidance in any aspect of your life, you can send a message to Gauri and book an appointment with her for the session. So it's been so wonderful. You've shared so much insight. On the subject. And if you guys have any questions for us, you can
yes,
put them in the comment section now, and I'm sure we will be able to answer them. We'll give a minute for this.
yes.
And Gauri, would you
And the
like to
next,
tell the viewers what the next week, what we're going to
yeah,
be
yes.
throwing light upon? Yeah.
Definitely. So the next week's topic is also going to be very interesting. It's going to be about angels and how do angels actually try to communicate with us?
Yes.
How do they meet us when we're not even aware that they have come to meet us to give you
Yeah.
messages?
Yeah.
Because there's one thing I want to tell everyone, that when we spoke about the blueprint, when we spoke about the spiritual team, every one of us has a spiritual team, and so does every one of us have angels.
Mm.
So because of that, talking about angels is really really helpful, because in today's world, sometimes having a guidance from an angel, it's like a boon, because you try to depend on people, but some people, the advices that you take from people may or may not work for you, but with angels you can be absolutely
Oh,
sure
yeah.
that
Just
the
think of them and they are there.
yes,
Just think.
yes,
I've been working with angels for more than almost 20 years now.
yeah,
Um, and their
wonderful,
energy is something else. It is something that I can't do justice
yes,
speaking about it. You have to experience that energy. It is something else. And they're so willing to help.
yeah,
The energy is so gentle. मतलब इतने प्रेम से इतने प्यार से आपको मैसेजेस देते हैं, आपको गाइडेंस देते हैं. मतलब हमारे हमको भगवान से, परमात्मा से, एंजल से, गाइड से, वो सारे वेट कर रहे हैं
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
भर भर के हमें देने के लिए. हम
बिल्कुल
ही हैं जो रिसीव करने में थोड़ा सा चूक
हाँ,
जाते हैं. तो हमें
क्योंकि
अपने
हमें समझ
चैनल्स,
नहीं आता।
एग्जैक्टली,
हम्म,
हमें थोड़े चैनल्स अपने खोलने पड़ेंगे टू बी एबल टू रिसीव ऑल दिस लव that is lying in abundance for each one of us. So
yes,
I hope it's
and
been an insightful session. Gauri,
and
you're saying
there's
something?
there's one thing I would like to tell you, that from the time I've met Pooja ji, I've always felt a very very strong presence of angels around her, and even I don't know if I should say this or not, but I think I should, that even now when we are talking in this live, I feel a very strong sense
Michael. Yeah.
that they are there,
I
and
never
there's
sit for a session without them, so they're always there.
yes,
So in my life, they're always there.
there's a
So
there's yellow light and there's blue light that I see
yeah,
around you. So
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
there's
So I
Archangel
know
Michael
that.
and Raphael.
Yeah.
Yes,
So I will share with you guys next time how my journey started with angels,
yes,
and um, how beautiful this journey has been. And we
yes.
both hope that you guys have will pick up something
Hmm.
that will help you change your life for the better.
Yes,
Do give it a thought. The recordings are going to be posted on all our social media platforms, so you can
yes.
access them at any time.
Hmm.
If not now, if at a later date you have any questions regarding this topic, you
Yes.
can send us your messages to both of us, to one of us, and we'll be more than happy to help as much as we can. So,
Yes.
thank you so much, everyone, for
Thank you
joining
so
in.
much. And
And
I would just like to say that anything you would like to hear from us, or anything that you would want us to add on or change, if there's anything at all, any suggestions, any questions, any suggestions for topics, please let us
yes,
know.
please
We'll
let
be
us
more
know.
than happy, because this is something that it's very close to our heart, and we really love talking and
And sharing all that we
yes,
have learned
yes,
through our experiences. Okay, so it's just sharing experience,
yes,
knowledge, all that we have learned, all that life has taught us, all that
yes,
I've picked up from books and podcasts and workshops and courses and everything put together. So we
yes,
both are here to share it as much as we possibly can. And I hope you will all receive it also in the same spirit. And
yes.
yeah, like Gauri saying, do let us know if you want, if you would like for us to reflect on a topic.
Yes.
And we will do all the research work possible
Yeah.
and come back with a wonderful show for all of you.
We're always happy to do that, because we're
Yes,
always
very, very
happy to
happy.
see you all every Thursday at 7 p.m.
Yes.
So we'll see you
See you
again.
next Thursday, 7
Yes.
p.m. with Journey with Our Angels. Okay. All
Yes.
right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a very pleasant week ahead. Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Have a great time ahead. Bye.